Alright, hey y'all. I'm literally about to head out. Okay, so I guess this is gonna be like a really quick video of like a day in the life of a realtor, Miami realtor, a beginning realtor. I am starting this realtor journey, so it's just like I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, I just put something really quick on. Yeah, red. Don't ask me too much questions, okay? I used to do everything at the house here, but I just wasn't concentrating enough. It just wasn't it. So instead, I'm deciding to just, see how it is in the office, if I'm going to get more stuff done, if I'm going to be more focused and stuff like that. Um, so yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I do want to show you guys this journey and how I go through, persevere through. The lighting is bad. I guess it's a little better. Yeah, I don't want to keep this intro too long, but yeah, pretty much do want to do a quick journey on that, just persevering through this and see if I got this, if it's possible for me. I mean, I do, and it is. It's literally all the mindset thing. It's really just all up in here. So let's just stop talking. Let's go. All right, so I did finally make it to the office, and let me tell y'all, they have like a little really cute little setup over here. I love it. The only thing is, it's not like too personalized because once people come in, it is pretty much a wrap. I'm not sure if I should be giving y'all a tour, but I guess I'll just make it like a really quick one. I don't feel like getting up, honestly, y'all boys. Plus, it's not really much to show. I mean, it's cute, but yeah, let me just show y'all around. Alright, so I am super happy that I did decided to come here because they got cute little snacks. I'm saying everything is cute today, but they got snacks. They got these, and they got these little popcorn chips, the little skinny pops. And I mean, I brought my own snacks, but it don't hurt to have like the snacks. And these chairs are it's comfy for like the first hour or two. But I do love the whole setup of these chairs, and like they're just fancy for no reason. But anyways, I should be working. I should be calling people right now. That's usually what I try to do when I first enter. I'm acting like I've been doing it for a long time. Y'all, I started yesterday, okay? I ain't even gonna start with me. But yeah, I'm usually gonna start with people. And then, no. First, I check on the people I really need to check on. Like, there's something called A buyers in the real estate world. So the people that are really looking to move like ASAP, I just check on them first just to make sure that they good first. That usually takes like an hour, 2 hours. I don't have that much people. So yeah, I'm working on it though. And then I start calling new people, just to get more business in and see how that goes. And after that, hopefully I'm not too tired. I call people for like 2 hours or so. And then after that, I check on my social media, just make sure my medias, Instagram, Twitter, I posted, honestly, I've been slacking in all my social medias. I haven't been posting except for Twitter, so follow me on everything, please. Yeah, so the rest is kind of boring, so I don't really think I'm gonna be showing y'all too much. Like, you don't really need to see me doing nothing. Even though I'm not even doing nothing, I'm watching a whole video on something that have nothing to do with real estate. Let me alone. I'm gonna get to work, okay? I'm gonna get to work right now. Alright, y'all, so I am finally done and over for the day. I just went to the bathroom. Their bathroom is kind of nice too. Just want to put that out there. Okay, but I'm done for the day. I feel like I completed a lot. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was just grinding, working. I don't know if I was grinding. I don't know. I'm hoping I'm doing important work, but it's my first time as an entrepreneur, whatever you want to call it. And
I was at that desk for like 5 to 6 hours. Like, I am tired. My brain is like at shutdown mode. I'm just like, I'm done. I'm over it. Can't look at any more messages, information, documents, pictures of houses. I'm fried. So finally, girlies, I'm about to go. First, I use the restroom. Probably part of us, we did this on our way to success. Like, come on, girlies, we got this. Of course we do.